For your final exam, we are going to imagine to make our own business, whatever you would like. All these options, something else that I didn't think of. Hopefully some of you come up with better ideas than I can. You're very creative people. Here is step 1 into producing documents and usable media for our business. We're going to survey our audience, and let's pretend our audience, our customers, are going to be our classmates. So as you can see, there's links and instructions here for each part. So we're going to make a survey, 3 multiple choice questions, and let's add on with 4 responses, 4 potential responses that will help you understand what types of things you should sell or make or distribute, or what type of business you should have. These will depend on your business. So we're doing this in Google Forms, which is a site, part of Google Drive we have not used yet. So you're going to need to go to Google Drive. You're going to need to go to New, and it might be right away. It might be under More. You're going to have, just sort of depends on how you are set up. You have to click on Google Forms, and it's going to make a new blank form for you. So there's a bunch of settings up here that, just for usefulness, go ahead and make sure these first 2 are clicked. This will make sure that someone has to be logged into their email here at school, and it will record who responds to your survey. So give this a title. You're going to want to put your name, and then probably your business. Your business name or business type. So they have an idea what kind of survey they're talking about. So let's pretend I'm doing a restaurant. I'm going to ask them what kind of food do they like. There's all sorts of question types. Blank text. For this, to make things a little simpler, we are going to do multiple choice. That's all you got to do. You don't have to click on anything else. So option 1 is going to be the first option they have. Let's say tacos. Option 2, let's say pizza. Option 3, let's say subs. Option 3, let's say subs. And let's say Cajun food, just to change things up here. So you're going to want 3 of these with 4 options. So 3 multiple choice questions with 4 options each, titled with your name, your business type. I went ahead and finished my survey here. So again, 3 multiple choice questions. If you're not sure to make it, just go back and watch the 10 or 15 seconds in the video before this. 3 questions with 3 questions with 4 options each. There are also themes. You don't need to worry too much about this, but if you ever want something to look kind of snazzy, you can make it look different depending on what the usage is and what it's for. You can also customize themes and use whatever images. So this Google Forms is really handy for surveys, for party invitations, for lots of things where you have to collect information from people. I use it in the band program to get parent emails and phone numbers beginning of the year. It's really handy. So once you have your survey all set up and it looks nice and professional, we're going to need to send it. So you're going to want to click over here on Send Form. This is really important. So Send Form, you're going to want to copy this link. We're going to go to Classroom, and we're going to paste this link. I'm going to make a posting where you can paste your links for your surveys. And we want to all have some data to look at to use for our project. Once some of your classmates have taken your survey, you'll see it. It'll say up here in the corner, it'll say responses, and it'll give you a number. Google Forms is really handy. You can view responses, and it's just going to give you a spreadsheet with everybody's responses. This is a survey from last year. It will also, this is my favorite part, if you go to responses, again, make sure you're on something with responses. If you have responses and you go to summary of responses, it will give you these nice charts. So what I would like you to do is, it's going to be a little different depending on if you're using the desktop or your Chromebook, depending on what day we're at. If you're on the desktop, you can use the window snipping tool. If you're on your Chromebook, I don't know how to take a screenshot in a Chromebook because I've never used a Chromebook before, but I could find out very quickly. I would like you to get a screenshot of the 3 questions you ask And the title, we're going to be using this later on.